how to buy WOMP token. So this token came under the symbol of WOMP. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down description. You can get free money, rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply goes below, fund your account and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. So before going on by this token, make sure to check their X account or their X community. As you can see here, they have 789 members on their community. Go and engage with their community, as you can see here. So this token, as you can see, it's available on the screener. It created 2 months ago and increased right now 20,000% to 80 or 18,000% in the last 24 hours. So it between 18 to 20. So it's as you can see, it's increased like a crazy. So as you can see, the liquidity here unlocked by 100%. That's immediate investment in the safe place. This token, it's trending number 9 on Solana section on the screen, as you can see here. Now to be able to buy this token, it's easy and simple. Just copy the token address from here. This token address sits under the Solana network. Open your fund wallet for that. As you can see, click on here on swap. Make sure that you have enough Solana on your wallet. Now click here and paste the token address. So this is our token. Click on it. Now here type how much you want to buy. As you can see here, you will be able to see how much you receive. And after that, select provider, for example Jupiter, and make sure to get all of that information here and click on swap. After that, you will be able to redirect to the Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. Now if you face an issue, go back to this page and switch the slippage from here or custom it, because the most of issues came from the slippage, and after that you can be able to buy this token without any issue. So this is how to buy WOMP token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.